Welcome to the mesmerizing world of bird flocks, where coordination and harmony create a breathtaking spectacle. This coordinated dance isn't just for show, it serves a crucial purpose. Flocking provides safety in numbers and confuses predators. Bird flocks operate on a set of simple rules, like maintaining a safe distance from neighbors and aligning their direction. Flocks aren't just about survival, they're also a visual masterpiece, creating dynamic patterns against the canvas of the sky. Scientists believe that birds communicate within the flock through subtle changes in flight patterns and calls, ensuring everyone stays connected. As the sun sets on this avian ballet, we're left in awe of nature's ability to orchestrate beauty in the simplest yet most intricate of ways. Check out a few of the birds in the flock and their beautiful formation from the wetland of Gurugram.